Okay. No, Momo Show. Episode 8. Ah! Food.
Hi, welcome to Food Review. My name is and today we'll be eating food.
My name is Yoshi.
Shut up! Get the food.
You're right.
Item 1.
Shut up! Adrian. My name's Adrian.
I'm Adrian.
Anyways. Oh,
What's our first item for today?
Hey. First item, boys.
British chip.
British chip? Show that
British.
to the camera. Show that to the camera.
New England chip.
Bro, look at
Chip.
this. Look at this absolute fucking lad, though. See this shit, though?
Andy Carp's hot fries.
As it says on the back, life is better with a side of fries.
Well, open that shit, bro.
Shit.
I agree with his testimony.
Fun fact.
Big bag. You see that?
British people aren't
bag.
people.
Fun fact, British people?
Nah.
British people are a separate race.
Hand me the fry.
Hey, wait, John. Bro, you gotta pass me the fries.
Give me one.
John, pass me the fries. No, I gotta get another one.
This shit garbage.
Anyways, Mumbo.
How you doing? This shit's garbage.
This is fucking lame, dude.
Is that a fucking black cat? No, it's a zero.
This sucks, dude.
Why am I here?
It's like air.
Bro, this is awful.
It's literally like air, bro.
It's like sour flour.
Sour?
Not spicy.
It's spicy, but like...
It's got like a tank.
These are low-key nice. I called dibs on taking them home.
It's like
Fair enough.
spicy.
I don't really like them that much. They're just...
It's like
It tastes like air.
it tastes like I'm eating glass with
Yeah.
hot sauce on it.
It doesn't taste good.
Except
I
the
like
hot
it.
sauce is expired, so it's not even spicy.
That's like a good 8.
Really?
Yeah.
I give it a 3 out of 5. I felt nothing.
2 out
I'm
of
gonna
5.
call back to Mumbo episode, me and John. 2 Halo 3. That's it.
I give it. What's next? 2
Next
fries.
item.
Get to rate it.
Nope,
Get to rate it.
nope, shut up, alien. I mean, Adrian.
We'll put it in post. Don't worry.
Whatever, never mind. You would never understand the complex of comedy.
Alright, what's the next item? What's the next item?
Bees.
Bit of honey. Candy.
Candy.
It's branded by Pearson's.
It's made from United States.
Bees. United States bees. Mumbo, you like bees?
What the?
What the fuck is that?
Doug, Siamese twins.
This shit melted.
Oh, it's melted.
Oh, are they all melted?
They might honestly
Let me
be.
get one now. Yeah, this one.
Oh no, this one's normal. This one's normal. I got it.
Alright, this is.
I don't even know if I want
I'm gonna slot that back in. Bit of honey. What is this? Honey and honey and honey?
It's a bit of honey. Retard. Shut up.
Dude, no, I have to put this last one off. Look at this shit.
Ooh.
Looks like a off-brand Tootsie.
And it tastes like one too.
I don't even want to
It's just an off-brand Tootsie Roll.
It tastes like Tootsie Roll, but made by bees.
It was delivered in a truck next to honey. I'll say that.
The bees didn't do a good
It's so
job.
hard to. Bro, it's so hard to chew.
I totally ate that. It did not throw it away. That's cocky.
Bro, I can't. It like stuck in my mouth.
Oh, you really don't like this?
No, like it tastes good. It's just stuck to my fucking teeth, bro. Bro, I got like too many gaps in my teeth for this shit, bro.
Yeah.
Awful. 0. Not good. 0.
Mumbo,
1 out.
garbage.
One out of the population of a beehive.
1 Halo 3,
1 out of 5. I didn't like it.
not good.
Not good.
No. I think after that we might need to wash our palates just a bit.
I would say. We got double XL. Anyway. Anyways,
That's
fellas,
a big one.
we're gonna have a little bit of fun here. Pick a number 2.
Hold on, wait.
One and four? One and four?
Oh shit! Right, show it to the camera before we play the
Little
numbers game.
barrels.
Little hug.
Little
Fruit
hug,
barrels.
fruit barrels.
Barrels. Little hugs.
All right, fellas.
Original.
Numbers
Artificially
between
flavored drinks.
1 and fuck you, you get green, bitch. Oh shit, he stole your green.
I want no green.
Fucking alien.
Fuck you.
Fuck you, you get green.
Thank you.
Fuck you, you get red.
I like red.
Me?
Gongaga.
Me?
I gotta say.
Fuck.
Fuck. Don't say fuck. That's a bad word.
Sorry. Grape.
I gotta fucking ban it. This tastes like green.
I can't even.
It tastes an awfully a lot like green.
This tastes an awfully lot like purple.
What does that taste like, John?
Red. I'm assuming.
The blood of the fallen.
Yeah, I think.
Tastes good.
I'd rate that a 4 out of 5. That's pretty good. 4 out of 5.
That's a 12 out of 13. It's got the straw.
Fresh. On a hot day like this, I really prefer little hugs. Fruit
Anyways.
barrels. Give us money.
Shut up. Regardless. 4 out of 5 Halo 2s? 3s? Fuck it.
Halos.
Anyways. Sorry.
Next item.
Next item. Well, I think the box came with a little bit of a problem. We have a box of Pop-Tarts in a box of little hugs.
What kind of pop?
Fruit Loops edition.
Show the camera.
Yo, no one got Fruit Loops on it?
Pass the Fruit Loop, bro.
Okay, open it up.
Sorry. I gripped it a little too hard.
Gripping Fruit Loops with force.
Yo, man, you just got toast on it.
Ow.
Do you want both fruit?
I'm not having both.
I will just.
I'll just have one.
Yeah, then give one to Ida, and then we share this one. All right. Get rid of this fucking box.
What
of-
the?
Oh,
I told you it's just a thing.
you were not kidding.
What is that?
They literally
I told
printed
you.
it on. They literally printed it on. You were not kidding. Wow.
What even is this, bro? It's like a bow tie.
All right. Oh wait, this one's different. I'm with Sam.
Yo, it's me, Sam.
Hold on.
Real? Show it to the camera.
Fuck, it's coming apart, but I'm with Sam.
Yo,
This guy.
I'm Sam. He's Sam.
I'm Adrian.
Here, which
Oh.
one do you want? Which part do you want, bro?
I'll take this.
Yo. Not even gonna lie.
It does taste like fruit.
This is probably my
No,
favorite.
this one's sunglasses.
This is probably my new favorite kind of Fruit Loop. This shit fire.
It just tastes like favorite kind of Fruit Loop or Pop Tart?
It's Pop-Tart. My bad.
Oh, that fuck.
I gotta not like it, bro.
Alright, so what would you rate?
The filling is like, hey. Yeah. Honestly, I'll give it a 5. This is pretty good.
5. Highly recommend. Give us
As
money.
Pop Tarts are always, they're kind of dry. Try it, folks.
We don't have a toaster.
I give it a non-zero number above 5 out of 6.
1 Halo Infinite because it's infinite.
A circle is infinite.
Shut up.
Sorry.
No math. My brain is too small for math. Anyways.
What's next?
Found it.
This is retarded.
Well. Anyways,
What is it called?
Smart Foods limited time flavor of Captain Crunch berries.
Popcorn?
It's all berries with popcorn.
Open that shit, boy.
This is the saddest fucking shit. And like I said, Edon, it's all popcorn at the top, and all the berries fell to the bottom.
Oh,
like I fucking said, dude.
Shake it.
Shake. Oh wait, no, smell that first though.
That doesn't smell half bad.
It does not. I don't like that smell. I don't fucking like that smell, dude.
How do you like that? That's not awful.
Let me smell it again.
How do we? Yeah, smell that.
Yeah, it's weird.
All right, how do we mix this up? Because all the fucking berries are at the bottom.
Give everybody one berry. Like a box.
guess.
One berry, one
Gonna
popcorn
work?
each.
You get
No, it's just more popcorn.
That's not one berry.
Fuck, hold on. Oh god damn it. Sorry for the technical difficulties. Fuck this. We're literally like
This is
shifting for
stupid.
Look at all we found. We only found 4. And all of the sea of popcorn.
That's stupid. You're gonna get,
So,
you're
now
gonna
we
get points
taste it.
deducted. Smart food. Making shitty snacks.
bad food design. It doesn't taste that bad.
It's just meh.
The flavors
It's like
do not,
Captain Crunch.
they do not mix very well.
I just don't like Captain Crunch all berries. Like, who gets the berries for Captain Crunch? I get like the peanut butter one or something, bro.
Those are good. I think the
Berry
popcorn and the Captain Crunch are much better separate than they are together. Together
Absolutely.
they're just like gross.
Yeah,
I'm gonna give that a
good.
2 out of 5. 2 out of
That's
5.
like
Yeah.
What's the worst Halo? Like 5 or something?
3 out of 6.
Yeah, whatever Halo 5 is.
That's a 3 out of 6 for me.
Alright.
Wait, guys. This bag is really heavy.
How so?
I don't get the joke. What is that? Show the camera.
Soup.